everybody, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia and welcome back to Vlogtober. Today is day number 8 and I am getting started my vlogging today at 2:54, guys. I have been busy all morning working on Sincerely Legenia Keto Spice Blends. I have been working on my Performing Arts Center, just busy all morning, been at home doing all of my work, was able to get my hair washed. I'm glad that I was able to finish that. So been a busy morning and a busy afternoon. So right now I am getting ready to take care of some business for my Performing Arts Center, and then I'm going to go pick Angelina up from school, and then we're going to Trader Joe's. We are going to go and look for some fall finds, fall foods at Trader Joe's. So that's been something she and I have both been wanting to do. So I thought today would be a great time to do that. So yeah, that's the plan for this afternoon. And of course, I want you guys to come along with me. Let's go and do a little bit of shopping at Trader Joe's. All right, guys, I'm going to show you my dinner for the day. I've stopped at a restaurant here that's popular in Arkansas called Taziki's. I don't know if there's anywhere else, but I've got me some delicious grilled salmon. I asked for it to be extra charred. A great Greek salad with a delicious dressing, and it comes with pita chips, and it does come with rice. And this is dinner today, guys. I'm gonna try to stick with the salmon and just the salad only. That's my goal. We'll see what happens. All right, we are on our way into Trader Joe's to see what fall finds we can find. Pumpkin spice hummus. Okay. Good. Pumpkin brownies.
Brookie.
Spiced cider.
I also see honey. I don't like that.
I'm gonna try apple cider fruit spread. Here. And here are some pumpkin seeds. Try those. All right, we have the maple and sea salt kettle corn. That's a fall flavor. We're gonna try that one. All right, we've got pumpkin oat milk here. We're gonna give that a try. All right, and there is a pumpkin Alfredo sauce. I'm scared, but I'm gonna taste it. Okay, here at Trader Joe's, pumpkin Alfredo sauce. All right, there is a fall harvest salsa. I don't even know how to eat this, but we'll find out and we'll taste it for you guys. Yeah, Trader Joe's has spicy pumpkin samosas. Okay. All right, we got pumpkin waffles. We'll give those a try. got all the things. Oh man, this is heavy. I think this one should have been double. Yes, I have a pickup for Legenia.
Okay, please open the window.
Thanks. Okay, everybody, so Angelina and I left Trader Joe's. We're at Starbucks right now, getting some Starbucks drinks. I have, of course, gotten my triple shot in a venti cup on ice, and I brought my caramel protein shake that I'm going to have with it. And Angelina, what is it that you usually get?
I usually get a grande iced blonde vanilla latte with sweet cream cold foam on top and an extra pump of vanilla.
That's too much, okay? But anyway, that's her drink of choice. So we're gonna get our beverages, go back to the house, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Trader Joe's. A ton of fall finds, and we're gonna be trying them this weekend. I'm not gonna do it in this video, but this weekend I'm gonna be trying our fall finds from Trader Joe's so that you guys will know, hey, what to go get, what not to get. They are not keto, all right? Just so you guys know. This is strictly just fall finds. I mean, I couldn't find any keto fall finds, but we're gonna be trying these things out, and I will let you guys know how they are.
Participate in what?
Yes.
Participate in what?
Awesome. Can I have a venti straw, please? Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
I just told one of my other friends and she agreed with me. She agreed.
Okay, so before I get into this haul, let me first of all say majority of these items are not keto. I know that they are not keto. I have been off the keto train for a good couple of days now. I will be okay. I will be back. I will be bringing you guys more delicious, fabulous keto recipes this weekend, as a matter of fact, after I do this video where I'm trying all of the fall favorites at Trader Joe's. So don't worry. I'm okay. I haven't fallen off the wagon. I will be back with more delicious low carb and keto recipes. All right. So now let's get into this haul. All right. So my usual, I got my rice cauliflower here. Always have that. So what I do is put them in the freezer so that they will not go bad. I got me 2 bell peppers. I have a recipe that I will be bringing you guys, and it is keto and low carb, that I will be bringing you guys this weekend using these. And I got me some broccoli flowerets. Yum to those. I also got, I think the rest of these are all fall favorites. Oh, except for one, and we'll get to that. But or 2. But all the rest of these are like fall seasonal items, okay? So the first one is Trader Joe pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds, all right? I'm going to be trying these things in one video in particular dedicated to all the fall favorites at Trader Joe's, okay? So we've got some spiced pumpkin seeds. I also have some pumpkin blonde brownies here. You guys, those actually really do look good. All right, I'm not going to indulge in all of these things, guys. I'm just going to get a taste of them. Also, seasonal is the maple and sea salt kettle corn. We'll give that a taste, see what it's like. We also have the spicy pumpkin samosas. All right. I'm interested in knowing what this tastes like. Got a box of mochi here. Those are for Angelina. I will not be eating these mochis. I will not eat the mochis. I had bought some last week and I had some. I shouldn't have had them. But anyway, there's also the pumpkin spice hummus. Interesting. All of these are very interesting and questionable as well, but we'll see. There's the apple cider fruit spread. That actually sounds really, really delicious, okay? This is a spiced chai tea. One of Angelina's favorite YouTubers raves about this, and so she wanted to give that a try. And, oh, this pizza right here. My daughter told us about this pizza. It's not seasonal, but it is something that Trader Joe's, I do believe they have this year-round. But I've heard so many good things about this pizza, so I went on and got it because she told me about it. Then I saw somebody talking about it on YouTube and on Facebook, somebody else. So I wanted to give that a try. Also, the pumpkin bisque soup. We're going to be trying this out. Okay, it's a creamy soup with pumpkin and fall spices. Interesting. Next up, we have the fall and harvest salsa. We'll talk more about that and what all is in this stuff right here. Some of these, you all, I'm not going to lie, I'm afraid to taste. Then there's the pumpkin Alfredo sauce. I can't even imagine what this tastes. Well, I can imagine what it tastes like. I'm just wondering what it's going to taste like with some pasta. I am going to put it with a low-carb pasta. I just don't know. We'll see. And then there is the pumpkin oat beverage. It's a non-dairy beverage. If this is what I think it is, I'm going to actually use this to make some ice cream. We shall see. Let's make sure that I'm able to use this. But that's the thought concerning this. Then there are the pumpkin bagels. Trader Joe's pumpkin bagels. Okay, I'll give that a taste. And their pumpkin waffles. I'm going to give that a taste as well. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. I also got these little Scentsy Brooms like these that you can, you know, put in your room. I think the guy at the checkout counter said that he puts them in his car. But you guys, they smell so good. Just me doing this, I'm patting them and that smell is just filling the room, okay? I got these and I got something else. All right, I have a whole nother bag in here, guys. I'm sorry. I forgot about this other bag. I also got the larger brooms. See how big they are? Yeah, I got the larger brooms too. But yeah, I have a whole nother Trader Joe's bag right here. I left it in the dining room here. Got me some more fresh flowers. We are out of fresh flowers in the house. I'm used to always having them. My husband usually buys me roses every week, but he's I'm gonna have to talk to him. I ain't got my roses in about a week or so. I'm gonna have to talk to him. Okay, so I got me some fresh flowers. I am spoiled. All right, and then I got their spiced cider. Guys, doesn't that look yummy? Okay, spiced cider. And out of olive oil, which is a crime, okay? I should not be out of olive oil. I also got me some extra virgin olive oil, right? So, guys, that is it. Oh, no. I thought that was it. And I also got me some chili sesame oil. I have a recipe I'm going to be using the chili sesame oil with. So, that is it. All right, that is my haul from Trader Joe's. And all of these things, I'm going to be doing a fall Trader Joe's finds where I'm going to be tasting, Angelina and I, we're going to be tasting all of the fall treats that Trader Joe's has. So I'll be bringing that video to you. I will be tasting it. I'm not sitting and indulging in it, just so you guys know. I want you to know that, okay? All right, so that's it. I'm going to get ready to put these groceries and things up, and I'll be back with you guys a little bit later. Here they are, and really pretty. I love how they look, of course, but they actually forgot to put my flower food in there. So thankfully I had one left over from another pack a while ago. So just make sure you always check your flowers before you bring them home to make sure they put that flower food in there, because it really does help your flowers to last longer. But here they are, so pretty, beautiful fall arrangement. I love it. All right, guys, I am going to close this vlog out here. I am exhausted. I've sat down here at the breakfast table and I have not moved in the last 20 or so minutes. I am just that tired, but I'm gonna make myself get up and go upstairs and get ready for bed. But thank you guys for joining me for another vlog today. It is always a pleasure. If you are new here, then I would love for you to subscribe. I love having new faces, so make sure you also leave me a comment below to let me know that you guys were here. Guys, thanks as always, and it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'm going to talk to you tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Take care, guys. See you then. Bye-bye.